number ratio of atoms of each element present in the compound. Remember that, right? So here we have a problem. I have 48.30 grams sample of compound containing aluminum and iodine, and a fixed ratio contains 3.20 grams of aluminum. What is the empirical formula for the compound? So first thing here, I want to know the mass. Let me just grab a pen. Okay, here. I'm gonna glue. So first, I'm gonna find mass of iodine. Okay, so I know that it's 48 grams of sample, and I have 3.20 grams of aluminum. This is the sample that we don't know which one. So this will be 45, right? 0.1 gram of iodine. Okay? So now I need to find the number of moles. So now I'm gonna find moles. To find moles, I'm gonna do is for each element, so iodine, so it will be 45.1 grams of iodine. Remember, if you have moles, actually if you have a mass, right, and you want the moles, what are you gonna do? You're gonna use molar mass as a unit factor here, right? So you're gonna divide by molar mass. So I'm gonna find the molar mass in the periodic table. Iodine is 126.904 grams per mole. So see that I'm putting here mole because this is what I want, and this one over here I can cut off, see, grams divided by grams. So I'm gonna have 45.1 divided by 126.904, and this gives it to me 0.355 moles of iodine. I'm gonna do the same thing now for aluminum. So I have 3.20 grams of aluminum. I'm gonna divide by the molar mass. So I have the molar mass for aluminum is 26, right? 0.982 grams. So I have 1 mole. So I can cut off grams for grams. So if you use the formula, you can find your mistake easily. If you multiply, you're gonna have a gram squared, and this is not what you want, right? So 3.20 divided by 26.982, this will give me 0.19 moles of aluminum. So now look at those numbers and see who is the smallest one. So the smallest one will be 0.119, right? So now we're gonna divide both by 0.119. Okay? And you're gonna have, let me grab my calculator. So this is 1, right? So I have aluminum 1, but, and this is 3 times almost, right? Let me see here, 20, okay. So my calculator, so 0.355 divided by 0.19, so give me close to 3. So my formula, so I start with the metal, so aluminum, right? So aluminum and iodine, 3. And that makes sense, right? So if you have to write the formula, you're gonna find this. That's aluminum iodide. Okay? That's it. That's all. Bye for now.